Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable timeline in Google Maps. So let's open our Google Map here, search for maps, and on the top right you will see a profile icon. Tap on it, go to your timeline section here, and it will just take a very few seconds to load, so you have to just wait. So as you can see here, timeline is off, so you have to tap on it, and basically it will ask you whichever account you have to select. So let's say we will select this account from here. Now you have to again wait for a few seconds. Now you will get an option to turn it on, so just click on turn on and scroll to the down and select on turn on. It will just take a few seconds and you have to select on got it. Now once we go back right here, and we just need to refresh this up and go to your timeline section, and here our timeline will be enabled as you can see here. So still it's off because you have to select the date and everything. Once you select and just go and turn on the timeline, it will be on. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.